So this time around we're going to be using the Distress Oxide version of exactly the same colour, the Picked Raspberry. Okay, so just take the lid off and we're going to be using the foam applicator. Now it's up to you here. You can, as I often do, just go into the lid there just so you don't have too much colour on there at once, and then just literally brush that in. The clay is very flexible even once it's dry, so you don't need to worry too much about that. And you can see how quick this process is compared to the paintbrush technique. It's entirely up to you which one you want to use. Okay, this one is pretty nice. I think it's probably my preference, but do you know what? It's always nice to try something different just to see if you are going to get a different type of a look. So just keep on going round all the way. Okay, and you can see that's really beautiful. It's just picking up on the petals on the very edge there. I'm just going to really keep on going over those, really darken them up a little bit. Okay, just to add, just to give it a real nice contrast between the edge of the petals and the centers. Okay, and even on the center bit there, you can keep on just going around to your heart's content until you're happy with the sort of look that you're achieving. So just go really adding the depth of colour to those beautiful petals of that rose. Just keep on going round and round and round. And you can see this is by far the quickest of the colouring processes between the two. We're just going to flick that around. We're going to do the underside just as we did the other. If you've got it wide like I have here, just mind your eyes when you're doing the colouring on the underside. Okay, you don't want to stab yourself in the eye in the process. So just go all the way around and just that little bit of colour. So you can see the calyx there that we did earlier, and that's just got a little bit of that varnish on. The Pentart varnish, the clear varnish. So just keep on going all the way around. You can see how quick, simple, but how effective this is. Okay. And dare I say, this is probably more random than the paintbrush as well, so I think that's probably why I prefer the overall look to it. So let's have a look at that. Whoa, look at that. So that's the sort of effect you're going to be achieving with that one. So let's just bring in our other one there. So you can see, you know, there's not much difference in it at the moment. Obviously I haven't sprayed this one. So let's just cover up our ink pad like so. And then I'm just going to use our water spritzer again. And just make sure, there we go, give that a good soaking. Okay, so it's really nice and wet. And again, we're just going to let that one dry, and then once that one's dry, we're going to compare the two roses and paint techniques.